Because, oh my, look. You know what? Sometimes you outside the walk, you rest instead of doing this here. You do it here. Ooh. You know, these three here, ladies and gentlemen, the name is Carapanaúba. Tá certo, professora? And then you just put your tongue in the yellow part. Like here. You put the tongue here. I'm breaking through, and every couple can share the same piece.
And this will stop any type of malaria? Just take this and you don't have to worry about it?
No, it's against hepatitis too.
Hepatitis?
And malaria, when you get malaria, you normally get hepatitis because you take lots of medicine and you hurt your liver.
Okay, all right. Just a little taste. Put a little bit between the cheek and gum. No?
Just like this. Don't put that thing peeking for me. Like this. Look. Okay. You got it? They use the same place all life long for laying the egg. They dig about 40 centimeters inside, lay the egg. When they come out, they make the tower.
One root and split and then
all the
join
way
them.
up.
No, you
Almost
one
looks like a road.
split and then join.
Yeah. This little tiny bird flying over there.
And then here we have some cacao, cocoa plants, but no fruit. And then the kapok tree like that is huge. And you know what kapok is? Kapok is a fruit. When they are ripe, they open and it falls the seeds with a kind of cotton. And this cotton